A good evening to you all out there. Um, Chivil John Bosco from Uganda on my sick bed. But I'm out here today to talk about TBC, particularly to tell you that TBC is real, very promising, and it is here to stay. Right now, as we talk, it is not very difficult for one to get it. And why I'm saying this is the fact that the admin of TBC is giving out free gifts of cookies to all people who are registering with TBC. And these cookies are equal in value to the Klingos, which are the smallest denomination of a TBC. That means you can actually get yourself these coins from the gifts that admin is giving out. I'm also sure that it will not always be this easy for one to get these TBC coins. As you know, a chance may not come twice. So, if you are a wise person, this is the right time to make a move, to join the TBC community so that you can also earn yourself these TBC coins, which are here to change the world. TBC is now a real currency, and it is being used all over the world. It is being used in many parts of the world. And a good example is actually Philippines, where it is being used as a legal currency. And I would like to say this. If it is a legal currency somewhere in the world, then I don't think you as a person who would like to join the TBC community that you may have to worry. Because if it is a legal tender somewhere in the world, then that is a good sign to show that TBC as a coin is here to stay. For me, as a registered member to this community, I don't worry much of my investment with TBC. Reason being, I can now see where it is going, and I believe it is taking the right direction. So if you're out there and you want to share this hope with us, I think this will be the best time for you to join. Our road to success is now clear. Becoming millionaires and billionaires. Can you believe that that we can now buy goods and services using these free given gifts of cookies, I mean Klingos. Right now, admin is giving cookies, but for some of us who joined some time back, we are given Klingos. And we can buy goods and services using these very Klingos. And it does not stop at that. We can also sell these very Klingos peer-to-peer at a fee that will never go below $8. TBC as a coin will never fall in value, and that's why I say at a fee that will never go below $8, because it derives its value from the number of TBCians, that is to say, the number of people or registered members on the TBC community. So, one can actually do much in this TBC community. How? You cannot imagine that currently a full TBC can sell as high as $8 million. But if one follows this promotion, the current promotion to the dot, one can raise a full TBC by simply becoming a broadcaster after his registration, and thereafter buy $100 worth of Klingos, and this can earn you a full TBC. And for a BESC member, you cannot believe, but even a BESC member can actually earn himself 100,000 cookies in just a day. Remember, we said a cookie is equal to 1 Klingo. And this can be done by simply him buying $100 worth of Klingos, approve that purchase. That is, the purchase has to be approved by the buyer and also approved by the seller. So when this verification is done, then admin can reward the buyer 100,000 cookies. So if a cookie is equal to 1 klingo and a klingo is $8, then that means a BESC member has earned himself $800,000. That is to say, if you multiply the $8 by the 100,000 cookies given to a BESC member by purchasing $100 worth of klingos, you get $800,000. Like the saying goes, a word to a wise man is just enough. Thank you for watching this video. I pray that you invest wisely and may you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.